Hello students, welcome to Crack Grade B online learning platform. Today in this video lecture we are going to discuss 5 most important MCQs for SEBI grade exam which are very important for this exam, and we will cover the topic today, primary market. So these are very important questions which can be asked in the exam, and as a new year gift, we have already provided 5 free mock tests to the SEBI Grade A aspirants. They have to subscribe by registering at our website. You have to register at our website and have to verify email, and then you have to go and uh, to courses menu. Then there is a tab of free study material under courses menu, and under that free study material tab, SEBI paper 2 mock test is given. So you have to subscribe at zero cost, and you can attempt 5 free mock tests if you are facing any difficulty, and you can call us and reach us at our uh, WhatsApp and social media platforms. So first question, the equity share of an issuer having superior voting rights compared to all other equity shares issued by that issuer. So ordinary share, preference share, IDR, ADR, and SR equity share. So right answer is SR equity share. This is a new term, new concept. Recently, it was released by the SEBI. Related to these guidelines were issued by the SEBI. So SR equity share are the shares, normal shares, but the holder of that SR equity shares have superior voting rights as compared to other equity shareholders. So SR equity share means that equity share of an issuer having superior voting rights compared to all other equity share issued by that issuer. The SR equity share shall be equivalent to ordinary equity share in all respect except for having superior voting rights, means face value and all other terms and conditions related to the normal equity shares that will be similar to SR equity share. The SR equity share shall have voting rights in the ratio of minimum 2:1, means for normal share, if you have one vote, for those who are holding SR equity share, they will having 2 votes. So up to a maximum of 10:1 compared to ordinary shares, and such ratio shall be in whole number. Next question, for IPO, the minimum promoter contribution shall be in lock-in period for how many years? 1, 3, 5, 7, 10. So you may be aware about that in IPO process, initial public offer process, the minimum contribution of promoters is 20% and shall be in lock-in period for 3 years. Before 3 years, promoter cannot sell their holding. The promoters of the issuer shall hold at least 20% of the post-issue capital and have to satisfy this condition 1 day prior to the date of the opening of the issue, and shall be lock-in period for 3 years from the date of the commencement of commercial production or date of allotment in the initial public offer, whichever is later. Promoters holding in excess of minimum promoters contribution shall be lock-in period for 1 year from the date of allotment in the IPO. This means if they suppose a promoter have 25%, so rest 5% they can sell after 1 year. So that will be in lock-in period for 1 year only. So in context of security market, what is 3-in-1? So it's a very important question. In previous SEBI exam, it was asked what is the if you are preparing for the SEBI exam, then it is not given in the syllabus. Then there are few terms or few concepts which you must know if you are preparing or if you are competing with number of students. So this is very important question, and last in previous SEBI exam it was asked. So in context of security market, what is 3-in-1? Equity share, mutual fund derivative, bank account, demat account, trading account, bank account, forex account, trading account, equity share, mutual fund, futures, yeah, or share, future, and options. So right answer is B. Bank account, demat account, and trading account is the right answer. The 3-in-1 account consists of 3 separate accounts open together, including a bank account, normal bank account where your money is resides, a trading account, a share broker account which allows you to trade in the equity, F&O, future and options segments, and a demat account. It's hold the equity share purchased by you. So next question, the National Institute of Securities Market NISM is a public trust established in 2006 by. So it is also an important question and it was asked in the previous SEBI exam. So RBI is NSC, BSC, SEBI, Ministry of Finance. So it is established by SEBI. SEBI. It has 6 school of related to security market courses. So next question, anchor investor means a qualified institutional buyer who makes an application for a value of at least rupees in a public issue on the recognized stock exchange other than SME, small and medium enterprises exchange, made through the book building process. 1 crore, 5 crores, 10 crores, 25 crore, 50 crores. So it was also asked in the previous SEBI exam. So 10 crores is the right answer. If this if anchor investor for SME exchange is, then in that application value will be 2 crores in case of SMA exchange. For normal recognized stock exchange other than SME exchange, it will be 10 crores. So you no need to refer that one SME exchange. It is not important, that much important, but this one is important as it was asked in the last CB exam also. So 10 crores minimum anchor investment means a qualified institutional buyer who makes an application for a value at least 10 crores rupees in a public issue on the recognized stock exchange other than SME exchange made through the book building process. You may be aware about that. There is a certain limitation in the book building process. Suppose 35% 35% is allocated to retail individual investors, means like me, like you can participate in the IPO process, and 35% is reserved for the retail individual investors, and 15% non-institutional investors, and 50% is for qualified institutional buyers, qualified institutional investors, under which qualified institutional buyers are there. And what are the non-institutional investors other than retail investors and other than QIP? Qualified institutional buyers other than qualified institutional buyers, non-institutional investors, for them 15% are means minimum allocation in IPO process. So these are very important questions. And IPO concept, at least IPO related regulation, you have to read, and you have to remember IPO related regulation of SEBI. That is very important, likely to be asked. So you, if it's not given in the syllabus but primary market is given in the syllabus and IPO is related to that, and you are preparing, you are appearing in the exam of SEBI, though you, so you must be aware about the at least SEBI IPO regulation. No need to go in for other regulations, only this IPO regulation is very important. So these are the details about our test series. We are providing 10 mock tests and 50 question in each mock test. And MCQ course, it will cost you 599 and 10 mock tests, 50 question in each mock, and topic wise MCQs, and total MCQ will be 2000 plus MCQs. You can register our website and subscribe the courses. These are details about our RBI Grade B course and SEBI Grade A course. ESI and FM complete, we will provide. Static part will be in video format and current related part will be in online PDF, and mocks will be there. MCQs will be there, current affair, government scheme, everything will be covered. And 2499, it is the cost of that course. It is the most economical and most specific course you can easily cover in less time. And paper 2 SEBI Grade A course, we are providing video for commerce and accountancy and economics part, rest in online PDF format. MCQs, it will cost you rupees 1999. Register at our website crackgradeb.com and subscribe the courses. And till date, this is our performance. In every exam, 80%, 70 to 80% questions were covered from our study material also. So proof was shared immediately after the exam. And these are our courses. You can subscribe the courses after registering at our website. If you have any query regarding the exams and any feedback regarding this video and MCQ course, and any topic you can recommend us which you need, and MCQ will cover on that topic. And also don't forget to share the video with your friends who are preparing for this exam. Also like the video and share your provide your feedback in comment section. And thank you and happy learning.